Alrighty, what up guys, and welcome back to Kush Claus TV. And in today's episode, we're going to be going into my new addiction, which is Yu-Gi-Oh! So, went to B-Side Games. If you guys haven't seen my last Yu-Gi-Oh! Video, go check that out. I hadn't opened up Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards in 15 years, first time doing it. Went to B-Side Games, they helped me out to get some cool collectible stuff to buy it and unpack and open up and stuff. And yeah, so today I went back there. And I spent a lot more than I did last time. Last time I spent about 160, 170. This time spent about $400 on a big, huge bag of shit. Lots and lots and lots and lots of stuff. So yeah, going to be doing an unboxing of $400 worth of Yu-Gi-Oh! Products. Also, I'm going to try to make a tournament deck out of this, or a deck for tournaments, because we do have tournaments in at the B-Side Games for the locals. And apparently when you enter the tournaments there, they actually do have OTS, or official tournament packs, which usually contain special cool rare cards and usually have cool shit in them. So, and also I've never opened an OTS pack, even though I have played tournaments and I have played locals. But back then we only got like regular packs like LOB, or just, you know, regular booster packs. We never had OTS packs back then. Now they have OTS packs, and they actually have them over here at B-Side Games. So I'm going to be trying to build a deck out of all the shit that I bought here, which is, like I said, $400 worth of stuff. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing of the $400 worth of Yu-Gi-Oh! Products, I guess. I don't know what the hell I'm going to call this video or title it, but yeah, $400 worth. Didn't think it was going to be that much. Maybe 300, but not 400. It was about 300, and then we did the structure decks, and yeah. Alright. So, of course, I'm going to light up real quick. If you guys are going to be smoking, go ahead and smoke along. Start lighting up. Yeah. Alright. So we got $400 worth of stuff here. I talked to the guy at the B-Side Games. He was really helpful, not only with purchasing stuff, trying to find stuff, but also with the information on the tournaments, because they do run advanced format and stuff like that. So I'm guessing that's also why they have OTS packs. I don't know exactly how the OTS packs work, but yeah. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing here. We'll get into some of the regular stuff, which is just like a Karibo mat, you know what I mean? When you play the game, you're going to need a game mat, so we got that. We got another case of sleeves, because you need sleeves for your deck. And then we also got a binder that also holds 180 cards that you put all your rare cards in and stuff. Also, all this stuff here, like the game mat and the binder, this is like the 25th anniversary edition, and also has the little Karibo with the Dark Magician's hat and everything. And this is actually a card you can get in the Battle of Chaos, which I also got a box of that, which I'll show here in a minute as well. Let's go ahead and start unboxing and stuff. Start with the game mat. Some of the stuff's going to be kind of hard to show just because it's pretty large. This over. Put this out the way. Oh, this is actually really nice. Wow. This is actually pretty good quality. Holy shit. This is actually a really nice game bag. See if I can put this out in a way where I can show it off. It's bigger than my table. How the hell is this a game mat? Jesus, this is a big mat. So there's a game mat there. Put your cards and shit on and everything. That's pretty cool. It's actually pretty decent quality, and it's rubber. It's pretty cool. So, if you didn't play the game, you can sit there and put your bongs and your pipes and shit on it and everything. Be a good little spot to set your glass on. Yeah, it's not like super slidey or anything either, so it feels like a grip. It's pretty nice. Alright, so there's that. That's the game mat, which they say, or they recommend to get if you're going to be playing in tournaments and stuff like that. Just to make sure your cards don't get greasy and shit. Got actual place from the joint. Alright, next up. Pretty cool little binder. Alright, here we go. Got the binder there. Plastic. You can put all your cards in here. Alright, cool. Oh, they actually have a... It's not just plastic all the way through. They actually have some kind of a grippy back there. Okay, cool. Oh, and they all... so the binder all puts in the sideways instead of the top. Okay. That's different. Cool. Alright. We'll go to the back here. There's the back. Little Karibos. And a little dark. I forget what the hell his actual name is, but he's a new card that just came out in the Battle of Chaos, but it's a little Karibo with the little Dark Magician thing. Pretty cool. Alright, the last of the Karibo stuff, and then we get in the card pack opening. Alright, and then got a deck box, put your cards in. It's all the 25th anniversary. Kind of like a little tie-dye-ish. It's kind of cool. Alright. Oh, that's kind of cool. A little card thing. That's pretty cool. Doesn't feel the best of quality though for a deck box. Because the deck boxes I had back in the day, even in 2002, are definitely better than this. This doesn't feel that great. Alright. Still looks cool though. At least use it for now. Let me relight my gun. Alright, now we'll go good and get in the cards here. We'll start off with the structure decks. The newest structure deck they had, or the newest structure deck that just came out, was a Cyber Strike. They did not have Cyber Strike. They only had Freeze and Chains and Egyptian God, because I guess the new structure deck has a $10 card, and people have been just buying the crap out of it because it's only a $10 box. So it has a $10 card automatically that you can use in the tournaments that are really competitive. So I couldn't get that one, so these were the only two available, so I bought 3 of each. Because it does have Monster Reborn, Harpy's Feather Duster, shit like that. Oh geez, I'm not even showing them. There we go. There we go. Probably shouldn't smoke and show off the cards, get too stoned and forget about shit. So there you go, you got the Egyptian Gods, which is old school shit. Looks like it has Obelisk, the Tormentor and stuff, and then a newer deck that has, I don't know, some dragons and shit. But it does, like I said, have old school cards that are still good that you can use nowadays, like Monster Reborn, Harpy's Feather Duster and shit. As they call it nowadays, staples, or important cards to have. Here's the backs of them. Obelisk the Tormentor. Old school artwork. And then the Freeze and Chains. So this is what I got to work with for a tournament. So let's open it up. Alright, so what do we got here? We got a play mat, which is the same thing as that game mat I showed earlier, but it's like just a little plastic one. And then it gives you like a rule guide, tells you how to play the game. Alright, here's our cards here. See if we can open this up. I wish I didn't have to use a knife to open it. Alright, what do we got here? Revealer of the Ice Barrier. Speaker for the Ice Barrier. I'm about to go over all these cards and figure out how the hell to play them. That's another thing too, I really don't know much about new decks nowadays. I know about like Sky Striker, which was really easy. That kind of helped me get back into the game. Also, I have one of these Tarantula dragons from the Golden Eldorado box, which also, a little heads up, I got another one of those. Another case. A lot of cool ultra rares though. Jesus, am I even showing them? Get more shinies in these than you did in the original structure decks for like Yu-Gi-Oh! And Seto Kaiba and shit. That's pretty cool there. That's pretty badass. At least they still got some good artwork nowadays. That's what I do like. I do like the artwork and shit. There's the one that we got in the gold version. Alright, these are all the regulars. Got Genex and Aquas and Frogs and Toads. All sorts of crazy. Crazy ass shit. Hey, there's an old school card right there. I remember that one, Salvage. That was part of the water deck. I wonder if I can use Legendary Fisherman and some Umi. Where are thou? You got Mind Drain. Activate this card, play 1,000 life when you activate effects in their hand. Okay. That's decent. Heavy Storm Duster. Terra Trishula. Okay, so I thought this one here was supposed to have something, or no, this was the dragon one, right? Yeah. Okay, so this one here was the dragon one. So what did the dragon one have in it? I have no idea what it had. I think I just grabbed that one just for the hell of it. Okay. So that one there didn't really have too many staples, but I guess I could use it. And then this one here should have the staples. This is the Obelisk one. Alright. I'm not going to open all three of them. I'm just going to open one of each. Because they're all the same cards in each box, so. Okay, here's some old school shit here. Artwork looks a little different, but not too much. Let's figure out how to fucking open this shit again. There we go. Jeez. Okay. Alright, got Obelisk Tormentor. Motherfucker got some beefy arms. Soul Crossing. Just a thing. Some pretty cool artwork though. Divine Evolution. Yeah, that was pretty cool looking. Ooh, there we go, Harpy's Feather Duster. I remember I used to have the good one of these. Hey, I got one of those right now. I got the old school first edition of this. Oh, we got 3 of those in there. Hey, there's another old school car. Bazoo the Soul Eater. I used to have that in the super rare. Cyber Dragon, which is part of the Cyber Deck stuff, which I wanted to get, but they didn't have. Raw Disciples. I think I might be actually able to use this deck here. This might be the one I use. Got Brain Control. Another old school card. Monster Reborn. Old school. I got that card right now in the first edition. So that's pretty cool to see. Got a Pot of Adversity. So this one here has a lot of good staples. This I used to have a bunch of, and now I got a bunch of now. Double 70. Supply Squad. Call of the Haunted. Used to have that in the ultra rare. Alright, cool. Alright, so we got some good staples there. Alright, let's get these structure decks out the way and let's start getting into the big shit. Okay. So, last time I bought 10 packs. Now I bought a box of Battle of Chaos. A box has 24 packs. This one here was $80. This is the first actual box I've actually bought, and that was just a regular box of packs. Now normally when I saw these cards, you know, this was a display box, so you just take a couple out and buy them. Normally you just then, you know, buy the whole thing. But nowadays you do. Let's see if I can open this damn thing up here. There we go. And then you do some kind of thing. It's weird that they still advertise it the same way. How the hell do you flip it up? There's a way to flip this up here. Oh, like this, I guess? I don't know. I don't know how to flip this motherfucker. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now see, usually when you go into a card shop, this is how you buy your cards and shit. Like, oh hey, I want a couple packs. Now it's like, yeah, I'll just take a full box. Okay, so we got 24 packs here. Let's just get the opening. Alright, remember guys, we can pull a Dark Magician from this again. We already pulled one before. Oh. I went and I got this double sleeved to make sure that it's fully protected, so it's double sleeved. So we got that. We can pull another one of those. I would like to pull another one so I can have one to keep and one to sell. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got, damn, a super rare right off the bat. I already got this one, but we got another copy. Ice Jade Archery, super rare. Remember, Dark Magician's always in the back. Alright, throw the super rare over here. Throw our commons to the side. Alright. Shout out to everybody watching. If you're smoking, keep on smoking along. If you're not smoking, just chill, grab a snack. Got another Nordic relic. Throw that there. Make sure there ain't no Dark Magician laying around in the back. That's what I like about this too. It's like a little like treasure hunt. Because, you know, it's not even in the spot where it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be in the back. Or it could be in the front. Or it could be in the side. Ooh, we got a Vampire Fascinator, which will go with the Vampire set. Wonder if we can build a Vampire deck. So that's a brand new one that we don't have. Also, I'd like to collect, you know, like when you got packs like these, you know, every card, you know, they have like cards that are just part of the set and won't be reprinted and stuff. And I would like to just have a collection where I, you know, have like, you know, completed sets or almost completed sets. Alright, here we go. Ooh, we got another super rare, and this one here is a Libromancer, first appearance. Another super rare. We're getting some really good pulls right off the bat. Alright, here we go. We got 4 packs down. I have to look at how many super rares we have and the rares we have over there. Every one counts a pack. Alright, here we go. What we got a rare Ice Jade creation. Looks like we can probably create a Ice Jade deck with all these cards. Ghost Trick Festival. Got some pretty cool artwork. It's not the rare one, but still pretty cool. Alright, we got another rare Libromancer Agent. Here, I'll show that a little better. Looks like the one guy's a cowboy on the left there. And look at their eyes too. That's creepy as a motherfucker, even with that guy that has glasses. That's kind of creepy when that shit gets hollowed up. That's pretty cool. Like I said, they got some badass artwork still. Alright. So what we got here? Hey, there it is right there. There's a card. It's called Magic Karibo. Magic Karibo, rare. And that's the little 25th anniversary thing that is all on the stuff and everything. We pulled it. That's pretty cool. Alright, at least we got the card that goes with all the stuff we bought for the 25th anniversary. Like I said, it's part, because this here's the 25th anniversary kind of edition. They had like 2-3 sets that were part of the 25th anniversary edition on top of the Maximum Gold Eldorado. Alright, and just for the hell of it, let's go ahead and show the back of the cards. I mean, whoever shows the back of the cards. Let's see what we get here. Holy fucking shit! Whoa! Okay, let's go ahead and pop a sleeve. Okay, just so you guys know, sleeve, when we pop out a sleeve, that means we got something decent or good. We got a ultra rare or secret rare Blue Eyes Jet Dragon. Holy shit though, Blue Eyes Jet Dragon. I think this card's worth at least like maybe 10 to 40 bucks. I forget how much it was. Blue Eyes Jet Dragon, Jesus. Damn. Damn, son. Damn. Okay, so we got some good stuff so far. Double check, make sure there ain't a freaking Blue Eyes somewhere. Or Blue Eyes, a Dark Magician. Alright, so we already pulled an ultra rare. A secret rare. Alright, got a Nordic Relic rare. Throw that off to the side. Alright, nothing else. What we got? Ooh, Jesus. I don't think I got this one before. I think I got a different secret rare trap one. But damn, there's another secret rare right there, or ultra rare. Alright, so that's 2 ultra rares at least we got. And we still got some packs to go. Try to speed it up a little bit. You got a rare Dark Dimension Soldier. Put that off to the side. Ultimate Fusion, I know that's a good card. It's not super rare, but it is used in the TCG a lot, so it is worth something competitively. Which, of course, competitive and collectability all have factors into the pricing of what a card's valued. Ooh, Dragon Bite. Last time we saw this card, we ended up getting a Dark Magician at the end. But not this time. No Dark Magician. So far, that Dark Magician, there's only 84 right now for sale on the internet in the world. So that's pretty cool. There's not too many out there. And there's not too many good ones either. Libromancer Magic Girl. Rare. Autofocus. Autofocus. There we go. Autofocus. Successful again. Alrighty, so that was pretty awesome. The camera died about basically a half an hour ago. I've been talking to myself basically for a half an hour. So what I saw, or what I've seen here, is that the video cut off basically as I was starting to open up the Battle of Chaos packs, which I can't even find because not only did I open all the Battle of Chaos packs, I also opened up all the Grand Creator packs, and then I noticed it said my phone was out of memory. And I was like, oh, that's great. I've already opened up fucking 48 packs and shit. Okay, so gotta go over here. We're the Battle of Chaos. I'll quickly we'll show you guys what we got here. I don't even think I even got the Blue Eyes Jet Dragon on there probably. Got the Magic Karibo, which I showed off before. Matches the thing. All the stuff that we bought. There's the ultra rare, secret rare Blue Eyes Jet Dragon that I sleeved because that was a really good pull there. There's the other secret rare was Dynamorpha. These are all the pulls from the Battle of Chaos though. 2 secret rares, some super rares. Yeah, camera just cut out. Sat there, opening packs, talking to myself. At least you didn't have to go through the whole opening of cardboard and then opening this. Because I bought 24 packs of the Grand Creators, or I bought a box of Grand Creators. Came in 24 packs, blister packs. Grand Creators. Just got done opening all those. Real quickly, I'll show you what I got from there. Which sucks that the battery died. So here's all the cool stuff I got from Grand Creators. And I was talking about in the Grand Creator stuff that 1 in 4 boxes, which is 24 packs, is 1 box. Or I'm sorry, 1 in 4 cases, which a box is 24 packs, and a case has 5 boxes, which has 24 packs times 5. 1 in 4 cases, you have the chance to get a collector rare, and a collector rare has these cool little holographic stuff on the border. And that's how you identify it as a collector rare. And right as I was talking about it in the video, I pulled it. These are extremely hard to get. You get 1 in every 4 cases. I just bought a little box, which is a box is, like I said, is 1 of 5 in a case. And 1 of 4 cases, you can pull 1 of these, so it's really hard to pull this. And they are definitely worth money, and they're collector rares, because they're collectors. Yeah, see the shininess on the border? Yeah, I pulled that from the Grand Creators. Real quickly, just show all the super rares, which have the gold on the name, and then the rares just have the shininess there. And I think I got, and that was it, yeah. Alright, so there's that. Alright, Grand Creators done. Chaos done. Well, that sucks. I'll at least remember to clear up my memory when I do one of these videos. Didn't think it was going to run that long. The video was at 26 minutes when it shut off. I think I noticed at like 49 minutes. Oh, what's weird is that it was still recording the time. Like it still said 49 minutes, so I thought it was good. But then I noticed there was a little message at the top saying, hey, you're out of memory. Alright, so last but not least here, we already opened up the Grand Creator. I showed you what I got out of that. The Battle of Chaos showed you what I got out of that. The starter deck, I showed you what I got out of that. A maximum gold Eldorado. We started it off last time. We're going to finish it off with this one. So this is a display box, or a case. We have a case of maximum gold Eldorado, or display. Yeah, no, display box is what it is. A case is 4 of these. Okay. All right. So we're gonna pop all these packs out here. Before, make sure the damn thing's still recording. Alright, so we just got one more after this, and then we can start unpacking the last box here. Alright, let's light a joint and let's open up some maximum gold Eldorado packs. Alright. I want to try to pull a Blue Eyes and an Access Code, a Sky Striker, and a Nightmare. Prank Kids. I got a Trishula Dragon, which is part of the starter deck I just got, so that works. I guess I better make a place for my super rares here. Oh, we got the Dragon. I haven't got that one before, so that'll help complete that set. Alright. Got the Predaplant. And we got the Eldorado. We got Elemental Hero Neos. Damn. Alright, so we got 2 of those. So we can use that for trade. Twin Twisters, which I believe I can run 3 in the TCG. I got a cannon. Alright. What we got here? Ooh, here's a new one we haven't got before. Oh, dude, this is Mystic Mine. I forget if this is banned in the. I think this is banned in the TCG because it's like super OP. But there's Mystic Mine. I'll have to look that up and see if it's banned. If not, I'm using it. Ooh, here's a cool one. Number C1000 Numeranus. That's another one we haven't got. Summoning Limit. Alright, so far, what I've seen recently for new packs and newer stuff to buy, the Maximum Gold Eldorado has been the best one to buy. Oh yeah, there we go. Frost Dyna. I haven't got that one before. Ooh, Toronto Tribute in the Ultra Rare. Hell yeah. Or the Super Rare. Alright. Oh, no way, no way, no way, no way. I got it. Yes, yes, yes. I can use this and collect this at the same damn time. It's Nightmare fucking Unicorn. Oh man, this thing is so fucking annoying in Master Duel. Nightmare Unicorn. Old Nightmare Unicorn. Fuck yeah. Alright, come on, give me some blue eyes too. Ooh. I got Eldridge, the Golden Lord. I don't have any of these, and I got them in the alternate art, if I can even speak. 2 good pulls back to back. Damn. That was a good pack right there. Eldridge and Nightmare Unicorn. That was a good pack. These I'm never disappointed in. You get cool stuff you can collect and some good stuff you can use in your decks. Some more Prank Kids. Another, I have 3 Elemental Hero Neos. Got 3 of them now. And I got a bunch of Prank Kids too. Ooh, here's one. The Weather Painter Snow. I haven't got that one before. So that's a new one. Glad I got a binder. Put all these cards in. Alright. Ooh, there's another Mystic Mine, so we got another one of those. Fossil Dig. Raigeki just got unbanned in the ban list for the TCG, so we got another one of those. Perfect. What do we got here? Got another Dragon. And we got a... Oh, I haven't got this one here before. Numeron Storm. We got Gamma Geek. I think this is actually a good hand trap. I forget. Ooh, no way, we got Pot of Extravagance. This is like a $10 to $50 card. That's pretty cool. And you can use that in the TCG. It's good and competitive. Alright, there's Nessie. And we got Familiar Possessed Lena. Haven't got that one before. Alright. Can we get the access code talker? The access code talker is the hardest card to get in this set. I rarely see anybody pull it because it is really hard to get. You really gotta buy a lot. There's a Plasma Destiny Hero. I think I already have one of those. Jeez, we got two of them right next to each other. That's exactly how they came. It was just like boom, boom. We got Invoked, which I believe is another like $10, $20 card. I forget if that's the good Invoked or not. Alright, another Plasma Destiny Hero. And we got Masquerena. The last time I opened the box, I actually pulled both arts in one pack, which I didn't even realize. I pulled the regular alt and alternative art. Alright. Ooh, what's that? We got that one there. Primatech. Haven't got this one either. Cursed Edlin, which is for the Eldlich. Alright. The Predaplant and a Numeron. And this right now is really popular in the TCG for competitive. And I got a bunch of copies, so probably get rid of those for a couple bucks a piece real easy. And also, if you guys know, the packs basically individually, like the gold ones here are about $7 a piece. The other ones are about $3 to $4. There we got another one of those. Ooh, we got a Sky Striker Ray. I'm looking for the other one, the other Sky Striker. Alright, so we got those two. Alright, ooh, we got another Eldlich. So we got two Eldlich. You could probably make a deck. Magical Dimension. Got two rings. Yeah, if you want to buy Yu-Gi-Oh cards right now, I definitely recommend getting Maximum Gold Eldorado because you get some really good stuff. I haven't got that one. There's the other Alphazar. I believe there's two of them. There's the other one. Alright, got that one there. We just got that for the first time already. And then there's the Alphazar. Alright. Oh, we haven't got this one yet. Prank Kids Plays. Oh, I need this here for the Prank Kids deck. And we got a Book of Move. Alright. So yeah, I got enough cards here to actually build a couple decks with. So at least I have some options here. Alright, so that's every damn pack known to mankind. Make sure there ain't nothing left down here. Pulps. Yep. We got more packs. Apparently I didn't open up all the grand creators. Alright, so got 3 more grand creators. Alright, cool. At least I get to open these up here. 3 more packs here. Alright, what do we got? We got, ooh, a super rare. Super rare punk. Alright, cool. So we got some extra super rares in that. Rare. Alright, last pack here. Alright, good from that. We already got one of those. Alright. Alrighty, guys. So, that is the $400 unboxing. Starting a deck and collection for $400. Trying to make it tournaments local or locals tournaments deck. Real quickly, we'll go through our rares here. And I already showed the rares from the other two at the beginning of the second clip after I had to restart it. Got Eldorado and everything, got Twin Twisters, got the Element of Meals. Alright. Alrighty guys, so real quick I guess I'll at least show the 2 good cards that we sleeved up. Even though I've already lost one somewhere. Oh no, there it is. It's right there in the back. Okay. So we got the Blue Eyes Jet Dragon. Pretty cool. And then of course this is actually the collector rare. This is the big one here. Alright. Alright, there we go guys. I'm gonna head out. Y'all take care. Peace.